Hello, welcome to all. Today we are going to discuss about third interview quantification, that is why Java is called as platform. Why Java is called as platform. Yes, Java is called as platform because to run the Java programs, the Java inventors provided a separate environment where we have to run the programs, which is called as JVM. For example, it is called as JVM. So here JVM behaves like a platform for Java programs. JVM behaves like a platform to run the Java programs and to run the Java applications. Without having JVM, you cannot run any Java program. That's why it is called as platform. Wait a minute. I need to add that one. Java is called as platform because when you develop the Java application or program, to run that application or program, we have to use JVM. We know that JVM is a software which runs the Java programs. See, without having JVM, can we run the Java programs? No. This JVM actually behaves like a platform. See, here JVM behaves like a platform. It provides many services like memory management service, and also it provides security to our applications or programs. And memory management service, and also okay. Third one, JVM loads the libraries which are required by the programs. And finally, it behaves like a platform. It will take care of everything that a program actually wants, a program needs. For example, if you write a Java program, in that Java program, you'll write set of statements like object creation, array creation, or something else. Who creates the objects? JVM will create the objects. Okay, who will deallocate those objects? JVM will deallocate that object. Actually, in the JVM we have garbage collector. That garbage collector is a thread which actually deallocates the memory. Sometimes it allocates the memory. That is the part of JVM. That means the job of JVM is allocation, deallocation of memory for the program. If in our program we use the predefined classes, when you write the welcome program, welcome to Java program, in that program at least we use two classes. One is system class and second one is string class. Both these classes are exist in the java.lang package. When these classes are loaded during the program execution, who loads these two classes? JVM. In the JVM we have class loader component. That component actually loads the classes. So all these things, memory allocation, memory deallocation, libraries loading, and deallocate. So what else we can say? Everything which is required by our program takes care of JVM. For example, you may heard that JVM provides a sandbox model, which means JVM behaves like a sandbox. It doesn't allow virus affected programs to load and run. For example, if you take the applets example, JVM doesn't allow virus affected applets to run, to load and run in the JVM. JVM will search for virus files. If that applet is virus affected, JVM doesn't allow to load first of all. So such type of many features are provided by the JVM. That's why JVM is called as platform. You know that actually we have two types of platforms. In computers world, if anybody asks you about platform, there are two types of platforms. First one is hardware platforms and second one is software platforms. There are two types of platforms, okay? Hardware and software platforms. One, hardware platforms. Two, software platforms. What is the difference between hardware platforms and software platforms? Hardware platforms are used to manage the hardware components. The best example is OS, Unix or Linux or Sun Solaris operating system or Mac operating system or anything else. If you don't install the operating system in your computer, is that computer is going to run? No. So which means here computer means the hardware components. Everything is hardware component, okay? To run that hardware components, to run those hardware components, we have to install some software like Windows operating system or Unix operating system or Linux operating system or Mac operating system or Sun Solaris operating system or anything like, even Ubuntu is also installs the Linux, isn't it? So such type of operating system we have to install in our computer to manage the hardware components of that computer. Because I'm using the operating system to manage the hardware components, that's why it is called as hardware platform. Our hardware platforms are used to manage the hardware components. of a computer. Comes to software platforms. These platforms are used to run softwares or programs. Example, JVM. JVM is a software, we know that, and it runs other softwares, other programs, other Java programs, isn't it? That's why JVM is called as, or we can say Java is called as software platform. So this is the third interview point of equation we have covered. Okay. So now we can say that if interviewer asks you about what is Java, if he asks this question, what is Java, you can tell this answer. Okay, what is that? Java is a programming language, and it is an object-oriented programming language which is used to develop different types of applications like desktop applications, web-based applications, enterprise applications, the applications which are installed in TV, the applications which are installed in remote controllers, the applications which are installed in set-top boxes, the applications we can install in chips. Like that, we can develop different types of applications if you learn Java. So Java is a programming language, and it is also called as platform. Why it is called as platform? Because without having this Java software, without having the JVM, we cannot run the Java programs. So this software also supports to run the Java programs and Java applications. And compared with other languages, this platform, this JVM, provides many features. If you take the example of C language example, to run the C programs for allocation or deallocation, something else, processor will take care of everything. Processor will take care of everything to run the Java C programs. But comes to Java, to run the Java programs, JVM is needed. Without having JVM, you cannot run the programs. Okay, so that's why Java is called as platform also. So what is Java? Java is a programming language, and it is also called as platform. That's it. Thank you very much, and please subscribe our channel, Madhu Tech Skills YouTube channel. Thank you for more videos and for more interview point of view questions. Thank you. Bye.